So you can go there on YouTube and search about my channel, and you learn more. These presentations are always been recorded on YouTube, so you can go there and check for yourself. Anyways, let us start. Let me share my screen and we start over. I think my screen is now right, shared over there. So today, as I told you, we shall be looking at what CryptoFlowBot is doing. And for those who have ever heard about cryptocurrency trading, you also get a chance to learn more about this business. Anyways, my name is Edison, or you can call me a leader Edison, a V3 now in this project. And I'm from Uganda, most especially from Western Uganda. So when you need me, you can reach out to me. Then we move the business. Anyways, let us start now by describing what CryptoFlowBot is. According to the PDF, we see that it is a full automated trading bot that has over 15,000 traders worldwide. So meaning many people have tried out. They have used it to trade and they are still making money. And they are telling you that it is 24/7 execution, built-in risk management, and an 85% win rate powered by AI. So meaning nothing you'll be doing, because this is an automated trading bot. That's first and foremost. And another thing, it is 24/7. It works from Monday to Monday. It works from morning up to morning. So you don't need to maybe check on it and put in something that you want to maybe to put in. It is not a manual trading bot, but it is an automated trading bot, which is going to help you in execution and each and everything they have told you. And it has 85% win rate. This is a good percentage for each and everyone to test on. As we can see, we can now go to the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Because before knowing what we are trading, what is 24/7, what is execution, we should know what is cryptocurrency trading. Here we're seeing that cryptocurrency trading is a digital market, is a digital money that exists only on internet. Yes, this is a digital money. So meaning, or in short terms, you don't touch or you don't feel this asset. It is just digital. We shall see in detail what it means. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by government and banks, crypto operates on decentralized technology called blockchain. You're getting my point here. Unlike traditional currencies, we have like gold, we have these currencies, Ugandan shillings, naira, as we can mention, but a few. Yes. So we are seeing here that those traditional currencies are controlled by governments and the banks, but crypto operates on decentralized technology called blockchain, a transparent, tamper-proof. So this is the money. When we talk about crypto, this crypto has no control over maybe the government or maybe banks. Where in case whereby the government can control this money or maybe banks can control this money. This is a built-on blockchain and no one controls it. Here down we see that we have digital currency, money you can send, receive, and store entirely online. Yes, this is money whereby I can, this is the digital currency, I can send it and receive it and store entirely online. So each and everything can be done online. Yes, I can send you money, I can receive money, and I can still maybe save it entirely or maybe store it entirely online. It remains online. It doesn't come into physical. So no no bank accounts needed. Example: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So these are the digital currencies. Don't need maybe for you don't need bank account maybe to receive them or what. Yes. Then examples: we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Solana, as you can see. Then decentralized, they have told us that they are decentralized. No single government or bank controls it. Transactions happen directly between people anywhere in the world, 24/7. So meaning, even though it is at night and you'd like maybe to send a cryptocurrency or maybe a digital currency, you can as well send it to someone and receive that by that time without maybe first interacting with the bank or maybe the government, there are charges or what. It goes directly as you have sent it. Then we have the growing market. The global crypto market has grown from 0 to over 2 trillion in just 15 years. Early adopters have seen extraordinary returns. When we come to explain about this growing market, it means it started on the 0. So people here didn't know about crypto, didn't know anything about digital assets. Here people were still in their traditional ways, as we have seen. But now they are telling us that within just 15 years, the crypto market has grown to $2 trillion in just 15 years. Now, just imagine, we are just in 15 years, it has gone to $2 trillion. How about in 30 years to come? How about 45 years to come? How about 50 years to come? Will you be inside it or it will leave you out? So I think this is the right time for you now to also come up with something like, and you start this crypto and you start also growing with the market. Not so. So as we can see, the historical context. Yes. Now let's go back in those early years, 2020, 2009, 2013, 2017, and we see how this has been growing gradually. So as we can see, there's Bitcoin started at less than $0.01 in 2009. Hey, this is a point to note now. If you have a pen and a paper, just write something like Bitcoin, what we call BTC, it started at less than 0.01. Ooh, this is amazing in 2009. And today it trades over $78,000. Wow, this is amazing. Just imagine something from 0.01 to something like $78,000. Just imagine if someone was able to buy Bitcoin in 2009, where could this person be in this era? Where Bitcoin now has risen to $78,000. Those who recognized the opportunity, yes, like the way how I'm now exposing each and everything to you, then you are now able to maybe to recognize the opportunity early, build generational wealth, and these people are still making money. Just imagine me, I entered into crypto just of recent 2024, but I'm making money now. How about that guy who entered within 2009 and is still now in crypto? How wealthy is he or she? So you can just imagine. Now, as we can see, 2009, someone who entered at 0.001, 13, it went, Bitcoin went to $1,000. Then in 2017, 20,000. Then in 2021, 69. Now in 2026, we have seen it at $78,000, which means this Bitcoin price has been entirely increasing in value as many people are getting exposed to it. And remember, when more people recognize something and put in money, that something remains growing. So it is all about being sensitized about the opportunity, and you grow with the system. Don't let the system leave you out. So as we are going to another step, we can see that what are crypto exchanges. Now we have seen that we have digital currencies like Bitcoin, Solana, BTC, BNB. So we should know how where we can get these digital assets, because we saw that no bank or maybe no government controls this. But before that, I would like to know whether I'm still on. Am I still on? All right. This meeting is for those people who are still new. I'm just on business presentation, I'm not here for for robot settings or what. Those lessons are ever there on every day at exactly 10 a.m. in the morning. So if you know you have a bot ready, you want those settings, okay, you need each and everything about the bot. You can come at that time at 10 a.m. in the morning, and you will be able to learn more about the bot. Not so. So as we can see here, what are crypto exchanges? What are crypto exchanges? A crypto exchange is an online marketplace where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a forex bureau, but for digital currencies, and it operates 24/7 from your phone. So, meaning here, these are the markets where we find these digital assets. It's like in Uganda, we have Owino. Yes, everyone knows about Owino. So, if you want to trade, maybe, or if you want to sell and buy goods in Uganda, you can as well go to Owino. So here online, you can go to one. We have Binance, and they are telling us that Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, trusted by over 300 million users globally. So there's someone here who is like, won't I lose my money? Won't I lose my entire savings? Nora, you are not alone. Here we have more than 300 million users, and it is globally, not only in Uganda, not only in East Africa, not only in Africa, but also worldwide. Other people are using Binance to trade and are using Binance to sell and buy cryptocurrencies. Offers spot, margin, and futures trading with deep liquidity and low fees. Meaning here you'll be able to make a good money because, as you can see, it has a deep liquidity and low fees. Another exchanger or another exchange, we have Bybit. They are telling you that this is a fast-growing exchange known for powerful trading tools, a clean interface, and strong security. Popular among both beginners and professional traders. So meaning, if you have started today, or maybe you started yesterday, or someone started 2 years back, he can still use, or she can still use Bybit to trade, because they are telling you that it is fast growing. So meaning many people have started trusting it, and they can able access it and start trading using it. I think that one is now understood. Then CryptoFlow bot connects directly to Binance and Bybit via security API. Your money stays in your exchange account at all times. Wow, this is very amazing for someone who wants to invest. Even though you want to invest $1 million, it is okay because your money remains in your control. Remember, Binance account, it is a personal account. Yes, you register it using your ID or maybe a passport. So no one has access to your account unless you share the whole details about your account. Not so. So here they are telling you that this CryptoFlow that we have seen, that it is an automated trading bot, it doesn't own your money. Your money remains on exchange, whereby you have to connect it through API. API, in simple terms, when I can bring it to local level, it is whereby if you like when you have your music and you want to play it on a woofer, then you have your phone. Maybe it is in this way. You have your music on the phone, but you want to play that music with using your woofer. You have to connect what we call Bluetooth. So meaning this Bluetooth will connect your phone with your woofer, and when you're playing music here on the phone, it will directly reflect into the woofer, and you will be hearing the sound in the woofer, not on the phone. So here, meaning that when we connect CryptoFlow bot with our Binance account, this will help this bot to see the money that you're having, or maybe the capital that you're having on the exchange of Binance, and it will be able to trade using that capital. But that capital remains on Binance. See, it doesn't go into your bot. So meaning you are 100 safe about your capital. Yeah, you don't have to maybe to worry about your capital. That's the reason why I told you that you can even save to $1 million while you are trading in this market. So what is crypto trading. We have seen crypto exchanges. By the way, if you're on this call and you feel like I'm speedy, you go check on Team Hustlers on YouTube. You'll be able to get this whole lesson because it is being recorded, and you can take your time and pass through with the pen and the paper, and you write something down. So here up we have seen a crypto exchange. So here down we are seeing what is crypto trading. We have seen where we can buy and sell our cryptocurrencies, but then what is trading? In general, crypto trading is the act of buying and selling digital currencies to make a profit from price movements. Prices go up and down constantly. Traders earn by buying low and selling high, or by using strategies that profit from both directions. Meaning here, it is this is the act. When we talk about trading now, this is the act of buying and selling. Yes, in our physical business, we do what we call buy and sell. So here we compare it as within this cryptocurrency also, where we have buying and selling. So these are usual things. Only the difference is that we are doing this online. Yes. Now we have seen that our price goes up and down consistently. So the prices don't go up for the rest of the time, or maybe go down for the rest of the time. They have to go up and down, up and down, up and down. Then traders earn by buying low and selling high, as we do in physical businesses. You buy something at 30 and you sell it at 50. So meaning you have made a profit of 20. Not so. So when we are comparing this, here they are telling me that also traders here can earn by buying low and selling high, or maybe by using strategies that that profit from both directions. Then when we go to, we have specifically three trading directions. We have spot trading. In spot trading, we buy crypto at the current price and sell when it goes higher. The simple form, like buying gold and selling when the price rises. So here we buy low and sell high, like in any other business. When we put it in physical business, we buy low and sell high to make profits. But then we have another direction whereby it is futures trading. Trade contracts that let you profit from market movements or maybe price movements without owning the asset. You can profit whether the market goes up or down. So here, you don't bother yourself, or maybe you don't need to see only when the market is when the direction is going up. In both directions, down or up, you remain you remain profitable. Yes, you can trade in both sides. Then we have privileged trading. Multiplying your trading power with privilege, e.g. 3x to 5x. As an example, $100 trade with 3x privilege controls 300 worth of crypto. So here, when you are using a privileging trading, it is whereby you get like your $100. Then when you put in 3x, because everything is set in within the robot. So if you put like 3x, that means that you'll be like someone who is trading using $300. So that is what we call privileged trading. We are still moving very fast because we have to understand this. Why crypto trading? So we are now comparing the opportunity comparison. Why crypto trading? Why should someone start crypto? And why should I tell you that you should start crypto? And why did someone tell me personally, that you should start crypto and leave other businesses? So this is the reason to why you who are here, you also want to start trading cryptocurrencies. Number one, we have, compared to traditional businesses, crypto trading offers unique advantages that make it one of the most accessible income opportunities in the digital age. Remember, you guys, we are no longer in traditional ways of earning money. Now we should be focused in this 21st century because the world is now running at a very high speed. So we have also to adhere to what is going on, and we also maybe change in the ways of earning money. Not so. So like a border business, you can buy it in Uganda. It is between 3 million to 8 million startup. Yes, if you want to start up a border business, it is between in 3 million to 8 million startup. Then daily fuel costs, repairs, weather risks, physical danger, limited hours of working. You will find someone has invested 8 million in a border, but he has to fuel, he has to maybe to repair and weather risks where it has rained, or maybe it is a sunny season and it is affecting you, or physical damage like accidents, then limited hours whereby you will maybe work from morning up to evening and you go to rest. Now that's the very number one example, a border business. So meaning if you are here and planning to buy a border, you have to encounter all this. Then we have a tax business. UGX like 15 to 30 millions and plus for a vehicle. On a vehicle, then we have insurance, we have licensing, we have depreciation. Yes, depreciation of fuel, traffic limited to local areas. You will find yourself you are driving only into towns and you are unable to go into villages. You understand? Then we have the insurance and the licensing. Yeah, these things like make tax business very complicated. Then we have shop or retail store. Monthly range of 200K to 1 million if you are in a good place. And we have what inventory costs, then theft risk, then it requires a physical presence all day because you have to be there at your business. No one is going to control your business when you're not available. So, you guys, you have to be there 24 or the whole day. And remember, you are working from at least morning to evening hours and you go home to sleep. Then limited customers. Sometimes you find yourself without doing anything, without selling anything the whole day, and you go back empty-handed. Yeah, lack of customers. And when we come to crypto trading makes each and everything very easy. First and foremost, start with a little as $50. $50 when we put it in Ugandan shillings, it is 180. It is 180. It is 180,000 Ghana shillings. So I don't know I don't know how much it is in naira, in France, in what. But then in Uganda, it is as little as that. And with 180,000 to start a business, a physical business, I don't think that you can even. It cannot even buy the way rent a house. But in crypto, you can start with that. So meaning you can take an advantage of this and you also start making money online. Another thing, no rent, no fuel, no employees. Can get them. No rent, no fuel, no employees. So meaning here you're working inside your room. It is all about you. Or you're renting a room where you sleep, and that's where you have now to do your business from. Yes, and no fuel. You're not going, maybe you're not moving around to put in fuel. No employees. It is only you and your phone. So this is the easiest way of making money, I think. Works 24/7 even while you're sleeping. Oh, wow, this is amazing. It means that it works from morning up to morning, no sleeping. So even though you are sleeping, even though your phone has no power, even though you're there, the crypto is still working. So and we have operate from your phone anywhere. Yes, even though you're moving, even though you're where, even though you have now got a travel, you move with your business because it is on your phone. So when you're using your phone, meaning nothing will happen now because this is your business. You are trading using your phone, and you're with your phone. You're moving with your phone. So we see this to be flexible to now to solve our problems that we faced in ancient regime. And then we have no physical risk or location limits. Location limits meaning that each and everyone in the world can start trading right now. Me from Uganda, I can now go to Nigeria, can go to South Africa, can go to Ghana, and still make money, because here we don't have limits. We don't have location limits. I trade. I make money wherever I go. So that is the point. Then global market, no local economy. So here we are not limited. We are not limited to only one commodity, or maybe to local prices. No, this is global market. Everyone is participating in crypto. Someone who is in China is doing the same thing that I'm doing here in Uganda. Someone doing something in Nigeria, it is the same thing that I'm doing in Uganda. So meaning here we don't have any limit about the market. It is globally. Then scales without extra overhead. So I think you can see the advantages of crypto trading are more safe and easy way to make money while doing nothing. I can term this as doing nothing. Yes. Then as we can go to getting started, how do you get started? Now we have seen that you can start using cryptocurrency, using crypto robot to make for you money. We have seen crypto digital assets. We have seen cryptocurrency trading. We have seen. Now we want to know, how can you get started? As someone who has attended this meeting, how can you get started to cryptocurrency trading? Getting started in crypto trading is simpler than most people think. You don't need a degree, a license, or a millions of shillings. Here, what is what you want is what you need to start. So many people think that starting crypto, maybe you should be a graduate, or maybe you should be someone who has been in this space for some period of time, or maybe they think that you need a special thing for you to start. But this is the only way that someone can start. First and foremost, a smartphone. Any modern smartphone with internet access, Android or iPhone. Yes, here our Android users, you are not left out. You are not left out, Android users. So Android users and iPhone both work perfectly. So meaning if you're here, you already have internet and you already have smartphone. So that is a number one tick that you are able to start this crypto trading. Another thing, you need an exchange account. Register on Binance or Bybit. It is free, takes 5 minutes, and requires basic ID verification. So meaning I don't think that there is someone here who doesn't have or who doesn't own an ID. So you can go on Play Store and download Binance or maybe Bybit. But I can recommend Binance. You go download it from Play Store, then register it within 5 minutes. It will be done. Registration is for free. So I think anyone here can do that. Then we have starting capital. You can begin with a little as $50. Deposit funds onto your exchange account via mobile money, bank transfer, or P2P. So here, depositing money or maybe starting capital, you can start with small as $50. Yes, some other people come in and say like, me, I don't want to first risk much. I just want to first risk $50, and I see how they work. But if you have money, it is okay. You deposit whatever amount that you have, above $50. You will see the magic within the crypto space. Then we have basic knowledge. Understanding what you're doing matters. This presentation is your first step. And the crypto robot simplifies the rest. So you don't need like more knowledge, or maybe to be knowing charts and what. It matters for you to know them, but then crypto robot, if you're a new person in this space, it will be helping you to work out for you. So nothing else that you are going to do, just leave the rest for the robot to do its work. Wow, this is amazing. This bot solves each and everything. Yes. Then we have clearing misconceptions. People have their misconceptions, or they have common fears and myths. Yes, so these are the examples of maybe the fears and myth people have about this business, or about this project, or maybe about this online business that we're doing of cryptocurrency trading. First and foremost, and I think most of you have failed to start just because of this. First and foremost, we have what we call crypto is a scam. Everyone, when you pass, someone is telling you crypto is a scam. You meet your friend, crypto is a scam. You meet your family member, crypto is a scam. But there is me who is doing it for now 2 years without being scammed. Then we have another common fear, which is people have lost everything within this space, and you also maybe think that these guys might be true. Let me also not invest in this business. You get, and you fail to invest just because you have had someone telling you that people have lost everything. It's too complicated for me. You think it is too complicated because you see chats, you hear people telling you, you have to be on the computer 24/7, but here is the simplest way, as you're going to see. Then, is it even legal? Other people want to know, is it illegal? Is it acceptable? So let us see. To answer your questions, when people say crypto is a scam, but here we have this statement like it is. Crypto itself is legitimate technology adopted by governments, banks, and Fortune 500 companies. Scams exist in every industry. The key is choosing regulated platforms like Binance and Bybit. Yes, we don't ignore the word scam. Mara. These scam businesses or scam projects exists in every industry. Every industry have scams, and you want to ignore this, but it's a matter of you choosing the right platform to work with. So it's the reason to why I've been able to trade now for 2 years without being scammed, and I'm still loving my business. I think you get my point. Then for the people who say that people have lost everything, losses happen from emotional, unstructured trading, structured system with risk management dramatically reduce this. Dramatically reduce this. That's exactly what crypto provides. So people lose money. For those guys whom you listen to, they have lost money. It's because they are using their manual experience. Yes, they are doing each and everything according to their manual experience. So in manual experience include when you're doing manual work, it involves emotions. Then there is also unstructured trading. There's an unstructured system with the risk management. So you find yourself, you're doing something for your own, but then to some extent you are including emotions. You are crossing out trades. You are maybe you see the BTC is now moving up. You enter, it goes down, you make a loss. So but before we go any further, CryptoFlowBot has come now to solve each and everything, because this is an AI, so it sits on the market more than a person can do it better. Then it is too complicated for someone to start. Sending mobile money transfer seemed complicated who wants to. Crypto trading is an automated bot, which is designed to be simple. The bot handles the hard part of it. So here, so for those guys who are saying that crypto is complicated, or maybe someone is like, crypto is complicated for me. But remember here, there's nothing that you're going to do. You're going to get your money, put it on Binance. After putting it on Binance, you activate your bot, $120 per year, or maybe for a year. Then you connect it to your Binance account through API, and you leave each and everything for the robot to do it for you. So that complication will now disappear. Will now disappear. You will have to make money by force. Yes. Is it even legal? Crypto trading is illegal in most countries. Exchanges like Binance operate under regulatory frameworks. Always check your local regulations for compliance. So here we are seeing that most countries, crypto trading is illegal. Like in Kenya, I heard it is illegal. So meaning people know about crypto, just it is only you who doesn't know, or maybe who still thinks that crypto is maybe not legal in other countries. So even using Binance, like Binance, it operates under regulatory frameworks. So meaning crypto has no problem. For us, we are still enjoying. Two approaches. We have two approaches in this market. We have what we call manual versus automated trading. Yes, trading or maybe automated trading, but maybe like what you need automated trading and you leave manual. Manual, when you're seeing it, sit in front of charts for hours daily. That is manual, and sitting on the charts from morning up to evening without getting an entry. Analyze markets yourself constantly. Execute every trade by hand. So meaning if you're not there, the trade won't be executed. Emotional decisions lead to mistakes like losses. Then we have missed opportunities while sleeping. Yes, as a human being, you have to rest. It is a mandatory, or maybe a must for you to rest. When you're sleeping, you can miss opportunities or entries to make good money. Then requires years of learning experience. Yes, experience is the hardest way in the market. So you require at least 1 to 3 years to master manual trading. But here in automated trading, it's simple. I told you guys we are in 21st century, so we don't need to take our minds then our minds are just on what this is the easiest way to make money, not the hardest way. So we should adapt to this. Then we have what monitors markets 24/7 view. Yes, just wait for a worker to monitor the market 24/7, so you don't need to do anything. AI analyzes opportunities in real time. So within a shortest period of time, the AI is able to analyze the whole market and at least get the entries within a seconds. Then we have trade executes. Trades execute automatically for instantly. So meaning when the bot enters the trade within the short period, maybe the trade has hit the stop loss, or maybe it has taken put maybe has hit the take profit, it is going to execute automatically and instantly. You don't need to be on there maybe for you to wait and see when it is the bot does each and everything. Then we have emotional free, discipline driven decisions. So emotional, as you know, these AIs don't have emotions like human beings. So it is emotional free, discipline driven decisions. The way it was designed, it's the way how it is going to trade. Never misses a profitable setup. Never. Yes. So meaning you will be making a money today and tomorrow and the other day. Hey, no missing out profitable setups. Hey, works even while you're sleeping or maybe you see at works. So this code is now suitable for those guys who are working. For those guys who are working, you'll be saying in office, so maybe you have another schedule that you always focus on. So this code you can just set it once and forget, and you start making money. The emotional barriers. Why do people maybe fear trading? The problem with manual trading. Yes. Why do people fear manual trading? First and foremost, we have also fear of loss. This is the first thing that has made many people not to invest in any business, not only crypto but any other business. You hesitate too long. You hesitate too long, miss the entry, then watch the price move without you. This is an interesting part. Yes, when you're doing manual trading, there's a time when you see maybe take an example, BTC is now in wrong direction, and you feel like you should enter, but then the other side of your heart tells you not to enter into the trade, and you keep there watching as you're seeing the BTC is longing and it's making money. So that's the problem with manual trading. Another thing, fear of missing out. You rush into trades without proper analysis, chasing prices that already moved. Yes, sometimes you see something like you see you see like maybe BTC is now going to the direction, but you feel that this is an opportunity that I should at least take. Yes, and after taking the BTC now changes the direction, and you end up losing out. And we have time pressure. Markets run 24/7, but you can't run. You as a person, you can't manage running 24/7. You have to rest. Yes, like at night, like you're exhausted, you have to rest. And we have analysis paralysis. Why most people keep there without deciding? It's because too many charts, indicators, and opinions. You overthink every decision and end up doing nothing. Yeah, you remain there. Just you see many charts, you see indicators and opinions, but you're like, I'm not going to do anything. And you find yourself without doing it. So when we come from there, then bridging back up. Now how can we fix that gap? Hey, that gap of fear to lose, time pressure, fear of missing out. Analysis paralysis. How can we figure it out? How can we bridge it? Then we have what is crypto. What is a trading bot? So there, as we have seen in money trading, people fear to lose, paralysis analysis, time pressure. So why should we now bridge to crypto flow bot, or maybe a trading bot? A trading bot is a software program that automatically buys and sells crypto on your behalf. So nothing you are going to do. This is an automatic, not manual. Following preset rules and strategies without human emotions. So it doesn't need your emotions, or maybe what it is going to do each and everything as it was in the beginning. It's never shall be. Hey, amen. So this robot does each and everything without your presence, or maybe without your intervention. Think of it like, yes, to try mu direction, or maybe I want us to take in this direction. That imagine hiring the most disciplined. Yes, you have your company, you have your business now. Like imagine you have hired someone who is most disciplined, that is a trading bot, tirelessly. It doesn't become tired. And at some point, it won't tell you that I'm tired, I'm not going to work. Nara, because it is designed to work for you 24/7. Emotionless trader in the world, and I think that trader is not there. Only the bot can do that. Yes. Just let us repeat this statement, that imagine hiring the most disciplined, tireless, and emotionless trader in the world. Someone who can never sleep, never panic, never gets greedy, and follows the strategy perfectly every single time. There's no trader who can do that. Maybe this trading bot, and we can see that that's what a trading bot does. It's like having a full-time employee who works 24/7, 360 days a year without asking for a raise or a day off. Wow. Hey, yes, Inga, maybe if they can make for us some robot to use it physically like this. Wait, do you know something working for you 24/7, 365 days in a year without asking for a raise in the salary or maybe a day off, but is doing the work perfectly. Then we have like we have scans the market. This bot scans the market. It identifies the opportunities, checks risk level, then executes the trades, then locks the profits. Your profits goes directly to your Binance. It doesn't remain in a bot, and this is the most powerful part, whereby our investors' money is very safe. I think you're getting my point. Then when we come to the solution, introducing crypto flow bot. After seeing all this, they were like, now let us bring on board the crypto flow bot. Yes, introducing crypto flow bot. It is an AI-powered automated trading system that connects to your Binance or maybe Bybit account and trades on your behalf. You don't do anything. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with built-in risk management. Are you noting these statements? That it is an automated trading system that connects to your Binance or maybe Bybit account and trades on your behalf, meaning you are not going to do anything. After investing your money, you sit back and relax. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It doesn't have any rest without inbuilt inbuilt risk management. Wow, this is amazing. Then we have signal intelligence, structured market. Structured market structured market intelligence with dual time frame validation identifies opportunities with consistency. So it meaning it recognizes the signals on each and every day. Then we have what we call automation engine. Yes, this fully automated workflow instead of handling everything set on manual. So it does each and everything without your human involvement. Then we have Binance and Bybit API. So I've also explained about this, that it is secure API connection creates one streamline operating workflow. Your funds stay in your exchange, so you don't give your funds to this bot. Then user control, operate with practical controls. Choose full auto. Choose full auto or custom mode. You are never locked into one rigid path. Yes, you can choose wherever you want. Yes, that is user control. Then under the hood, how the bot executes trades. Now we have gone to see how the bot is able to execute the trades. There's institutional grade automated trading powered by dual time frame validation, AI confidence, scoring, and adaptive risk management. Dual strategy bot, scalp mode. It has scalp mode, 5-minute entries and validated against 15-minute trend. Swing mode, 15 minutes. I won't go much about this, but as you can see, this is the one way how bot executes the trades. We have the dual strategy bot, then we have built-in risk engine, then we have AI confidence scoring, then we have mode flexibility. Yes, this is where you feel like flexible. Maybe you're not on tension or what. We have full auto versus custom mode. Then one platform, two operating styles. It is one platform, they are all in CryptoFlow bot, but we have two operating styles. Choose the level of control that matches your experience and the preference. Then we have full auto, as we have seen that there are two styles. We have full auto mode, we have custom mode. Let's now see on full auto mode. We have built for users who want simplicity and automation. Perfect for beginners and busy professionals. Have you got my point? This is turned on. Full auto mode is turned on when you are when you are new into the system, or maybe you are a beginner, or some people who are always busy. So it is one click at activation. After you're connecting to your Binance or Bybit account, you just tap on it once. Bot handles everything for you. Nothing else that you're going to do. Just you turn one button and nothing else that you're going to do. Then we have passive monitoring only. Yes, you always come to see how much have I made today. Then there is maximum time saving. Yes, maximum time saving. For you who are busy as a beginner, you be there in your works and you find your bot has already made something for you. Then we have ideal for beginners. If you know you are a beginner, you have never heard of crypto trading, you have never heard about trading, you have never used the CryptoFlow bot, it is now this mode that is going to save you. Full auto mode. Then we have custom mode for those who are pro. Yes, obviously we have people who have been in the market and know what they are doing. Built for users who want more control over how the system behaves. Ideal for experienced traders. So now this side is now for experienced traders. Choose your own strategies. Yeah, if you want to customize and look for your own strategies, it is okay. Then Tango features on or off. Tango features on or off. It is all about you, maybe to turn longs off, shorts off, and maybe turning them on. It is all about you. Then set privilege and risk levels. According to your experience, you know what risks, or you know what how to risky, or maybe to set the privilege. It is all about you. Active oversight and tuning, then ideal for experienced traders. So for those who are experienced within the market of cryptocurrency trading, it is this now for you to turn on custom mode. It will work better on your side. Then trust and transparency, security and fund safety. Security and fund safety. Let me first see. Kindly, we beg to know. Yes, see. Oh, no, share screen. Am I not sharing the screen? Please, you haven't shared your screen. Is it Royal Q? No. Hello, everyone. I'm seeing nothing. Why is the bot still making losses? Fix your setting. How do I fix my setting, please? Can you take me through? I'm looking money for down my knees. I'm losing one as well. I can't see the screen. Hey, you guys have been not seeing the screen? I'm new here. But even though you were not seeing the screen, I think I've been explaining very well for you to get the concept about this business. Then we have security and fund safety. There is security and fund safety. Your money is always in your hands. Crypto bot never handles or never holds access or withdraws your funds here. How the security mode works: funds stay on your exchanger, then disconnect anytime. You can disconnect anytime if you feel like disconnecting it. Then we have trade only API permissions. It trades when you allow API connections to connect with each other. Then we have 256-bit encryption. Bank level security protects your API connections. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest. So we have live performance and track record. There's real numbers from the live crypto flow bot system. These stats are publicly visible on the website. You can go on website and you search about crypto flow bot and you will be able to see those results. Then verify these numbers live. Yes, you can go there and see how the bot has been performing. Just go to Chrome and search about crypto flow bot and you can go into details and you'll be able to see how people have been able to make some good money from this business. Then who is this for? Who is this crypto flow bot for? Designed to meet different users at different levels of experience, time available, and capital size. For pretty beginner, this is for you. Yes, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency trading, this is for you. Then experienced traders, yes, we know that you have been experienced. You experienced within this space, but you also still need this crypto flow bot. Then we have busy professionals. Busy, those who are always busy at their workplaces. So what you also need you also need crypto flow bot to start trading. Then we have larger capital users. If you have $1 million for $10,000, you can still invest in this because your money is minus and no one has a control over your money. Then we have choose your capital tier. Yes, we have a starter. You can start with $50 to $299. Then we have growth, where you can start with 300, 1,000. Then we have professional from 1,000 to 5,000. Then elite to 5,000 to 50,000. Then executive from $50,000 to infinity. Then we have minimum to begin. Okay, the minimum to begin. These starters, we have. You can start with as a beginner. You can start with $50 to 299. It is all about you. As I've read, it is all about you to start with whatever you have in hand. So we have pricing. We have pricing model. Pricing and getting started. Simple, transparent pricing, no hidden fees. You only pay for performance. It is 120 per year annually. So we activate our bot using $120. You get? Then think of it as paying your full-time employee their annual salary up front. Then once activated, the bot works 24/7, 365 days, no breaks, no extra choices, no extra charges. No profit equals no fuel charged. That is point number one. Then fuel wallet auto pauses at $3 for top up. Yes, if you have below $3 as fuel fee, your bot will pause. Then when we go to fuel wallet, deposit a minimum of 10 into your fuel wallet. This powers the bot's operation. Fuel is only charged on profitable trades. It can range to 20 to 80 split, then 20% fuel the system, 80% stays as your profit. You keep 80% of the every profitable trade, then 20% goes into the fuel system. Then no hidden fees, no commissions, no surprises. Then total to start is 120 activation plus 10 as fuel fee, then plus 50 as minimum capital that you can start with. In total, you can start with $180 in total. Then how to get started? A simple onboarding push takes you from registration to live, structured market participation in minutes. Then set up and activate fuel fundings and connect APIs, set your preferences, choose mode, monitor. Then decision clarity, objections and answers. We have I have never traded before. That's exactly why structured system exists. The bot handles the trades. You just need you just monitor. So someone who says that I've never traded before, this is the reason to why you need CryptoFlow bot. Then I'm too busy. You still need CryptoFlow bot to trade for you because nothing you're going to do. Then I don't trust online opportunities. Healthy skepticism. Yes, if you say that I don't trust online opportunities or projects, healthy skepticism, your funds stay in your Binance or maybe your exchange. Do your due diligence. The platform is transparent, so you can do each and everything that you want to understand maybe about this bot. The project is transparent. Then can't I just trade manually? Yes, you can trade manually, but most people underestimate how much time, discipline and emotional control it requires consistently. So if you are that person who has more emotions, who is not disciplined, just know you should not try manual trading. What if I start small? Starting small is smart. It reduces risk while you learn workful. You can always scale up later. Yes, you can start small and keep on growing your capital. As we say in the business, that start small and grow big. So start your strategy. Start your structured crypto journey today. Activation is 120 per year. Look for someone who has brought you on this meeting, maybe to give you more highlights, maybe to get you a trading bot, helps you on operating. You should approach that one who has given you the link to join this meeting. Go ask him or her how to get Binance, how to get CryptoFlow bot, how you can pay it, how you can turn on automated trading bot, each and everything. But then this was the presentation that I've just given to you. So it is now all about you to start now or leave the opportunity as it is. It's all into your hands. I wish you the best. Thanks for attending. I love you. Good night.